Gracias por haberle dado clic a este video. Usted se estará preguntando por qué no le estoy mostrando trabajos relacionados a tapicería. Bueno, me encuentro en una exposición de automóviles en Las Vegas, Nevada, conocida como SEMA Car Show. Esta es una exposición enorme, una de las exposiciones más grandes que se dan en los Estados Unidos. Les doy una pequeña muestra, pequeños tips. Se ven automóviles clásicos con tapicerías extravagantes. También se ven automóviles modernos con unas tapicerías exóticas. That's what one of our folks has a point adjustment. There's no smoke we're doing now. And here in the basics, you know, we're pushing out our contact Estos son uno de los muchos automóviles que se ven en Las Vegas, Nevada, en esta exposición. Este es un Ford año 2022. Ya están al mercado, pero son muy costados. Aquí lo expone, y no nomás lo que es la pintura, también expone lo que es el interior del automóvil. Hello? Nice. Beautiful.
And you can haul 2,000 pounds of payload with it. But here's the kicker with the F-150 Lightning. Let's say you lose power. We've had some crazy weather in this country over the last year. You could power your house for 3 full days with
...1959 Buick, y noten cómo está. Ese es el motor. Demasiado cable, ¿verdad? Ahora les voy a mostrar el interior. A lo mejor por el teléfono o por la cámara no se pueda ver bien. Lo bueno de estas personas que tienen el automóvil aquí es que tienen las ventanas abiertas. Cuando tienen las ventanas abiertas se puede apreciar más o mejor el interior, debido a que no refleja el vidrio o la ventana. 1967 Chevrolet, este es un Corvette, y noten la belleza de automóvil. Eso es por fuera. Les voy a mostrar el interior. Impecable, increíble cómo le han dado vida a este automóvil. A pesar de los años que tiene, vale mucho dinero. Es una colección.
Lucky GT. That's so good. Yeah, it's like a older girl.
All kids know about it.
Este es un Corvette Z06 año 2023 y les voy a mostrar parte del interior de este automóvil. Como ustedes pueden verlo allí, es rojo con un accent negro, una hermosura de automóvil.
Ay, ay, ay.
The check?
Last partition building right here.
Let's go, Charlie.
Aquí en donde estoy mostrando ya es hacia afuera, ya es saliendo de Las Vegas. Ahí está el Mandalay Bay, más para allá está el Caesar Palace. Aquí está donde yo me estoy quedando, el Excalibur. Y si les digo dando para acá, aquí va a estar el New York. Eso que ustedes ven ahí está como una roller coaster, montaña rusa. Y así les sigo dando hacia allá, es hacia el centro, más hacia el centro. Y aquí está el MGM Grand, donde se llevan a cabo muchas peleas. Ahí está. Y aquí está el Tropical. Esto es Las Vegas de noche. Bueno, ni está tan noche, ¿eh? Yo no sirvo para el desvelo, pero les estoy mostrando un poquito de cómo se ve de noche.
Oh, man. Those nitties. Chelsea's down. He's down to clown. Let's go for it. Here we go, boys. Come on. This is it. fun. People sticking around. Great exclamation point on an awesome week.
Last night a little dancer came dancing to my door. Last night a little angel came pumping on the floor. He said, come baby, got a license for love.
Absolutely, super exciting, and I think some of our lead vehicles once again will be some that are competing in the Optima Ultimate Arena in the morning. Cross happening right here. It's a pretty cool deal. I know the competitors are really excited about it. I think the response from the fans is really good. All right, man, Jim, thank you so much for all your help. Everybody put your earplugs on. You see what's coming through here? A Hummer.
See, Kevin, that's why after like 5 hours of this, I'm blind, I can't hear, I can't see.
That's it, man.
But I love it, man. I can't wait to get a little hit of diesel. I'm ready.
You know, there's a great video of you standing right there inhaling diesel fumes a few years ago.
Yeah, that went over big with my wife. Hey, so if you're wondering, all these cruise vehicles are going to end up on the west block. That's where we had that new building. And if you didn't get there for any reason this year, you got to check it out. We got West Coast Customs out there. We got a variety of exhibitors. We got this guy. Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
Pro Touring Custom, perfectly gapped, beautiful color. Just an awesome modified muscle car. And just when you thought you... Awesome car.
Well, that was fun.
All right, Joe, we're getting some off-road performance coming your way next.
Okay, I'm about 2 miles out.
2 miles? Well, there's a super killer 3-door Suburban coming through right now. Big wheels, lowered, super clean interior.
Okay, we're packed to the gills up here.
Awesome, awesome. Very nice 71 Ranchero. The creativity on these cars and trucks is really, really sweet this year. Here's 4 guys in the back having a great time in this truck. Give me a little something. There you go. Yeah, and there's an early C10, big blown Whipple charged motor coming out of the hood, a tag axle in back, and a big wing, man. That's something you see every day.
Hey, Kev, I had a really cool gig here at the show this week.
Yeah.
That was hosting the SEMA Hall of Fame.
You're right on, man.
This year we inducted Rick Love, our good friend from Vintage Air.
Yep.
We celebrated Jesse Combs.
Yep.
As well as Carl Schieber, inducted into the SEMA Hall of Fame. And man, you sit down there with Don Prudhomme and Harry Hibbler and Barry McGuire and Chip Foose. Awesome time.
Yeah, you get to hang out with all the cool people, man.
It may have seemed like there weren't as many people, but I can tell you, if all the people that were in that West Hall were on this side of the street, we wouldn't have missed a beat.
Oh,
you know, and that's a testament to all you guys who came out here. Again, once we thank you so much for being a part of the show.
For
thank
sure.
you so much. All right, here.
A new Bronco.
Bronco, how you doing, brother? My wife said don't touch people. I can't. I got it. All right, just how I am, man.
I'm with your wife on that one, Joe.
I was hugging people. I was giving that mask a beating, though. Gosh.
Yeah. Well, so what were the stats here this week? Everybody, you know, likes to count how many people were here, how many exhibitors, how many cars. We should take a random guess. How many people do you think were here this week?
All right, let's do that. How many people do you think came to the SEMA show, sir? You.
Start the bidding at 10,000.
We got one guy says 75,000, we got another guy that says 200,000. Guess what? We were somewhere right in the middle, Kev.
That's right.
Yeah, about 114, 115,000 folks. Okay?
That is so awesome, considering that international travel is still restricted. So that is U.S. only, basically, in force here at the SEMA Show 2021.
Kev, Kev, as we run those numbers, how about the exhibitors, the number of manufacturers that were on display here at the show? Any idea how many exhibitors were here?
More than I got to see.
How many exhibitors? He said 200 exhibitors? There's 200 exhibitors here. You already played the game, okay? How many exhibitors do you think were here at the show? 500? How about you? You got nothing?
By the way, the 68 Chevelle rolling by is featuring one of those new Tremec TKX 5-speed transmissions that basically fits in the hole without transmission modifications. It's a very cool upgrade for your muscle car.
Sorry, Kev, I have a trade show professional with me. Go ahead, Paul.
I was just saying thanks to SEMA and all of you. This was the largest trade show held in North America since March of 2020.
One guy used to play in the sandbox over here at the SEMA show for quite a long time. And a lot of what you see here is a result of his efforts. My main man, Peter Mack.
So rolling up right now for your off-road truck. You got a side-by-side, you got a killer boat.
Okay, if I ever came home with this shit, my wife would kill me.
There's a lot of things that do that your wife would kill you.
I couldn't afford the propeller on the back of that boat.
Well, just get to know those people real well. Be nice to them. Maybe they'll invite you out.
Please! Please!
Oh, here it goes.
I know it. It's going to happen. I think you just got it last week. She's had one before. You can just tell by looking at it. It's not her first car. All right, another big shot celebrity up there. Any of you guys golf here? Any golfers? Me either. I don't know why he's such a damn big shot. PGA professional golfer, Mr. Joe Donato in the house. Joe D, right there.
Recognize an opportunity to bring people together and really enjoy all this and not let this event go to waste. So thank you, Joe, Peter, all you guys who came up with this.
Another noise that scares me, kid. Hey, last night, Kevin, I heard pounding on my door.
Wasn't me.
Finally got up and let her out. It was a tough night. Oh, now this is
Check out the kick-ass Jeep.
sweet. Where have I seen this vehicle? Off-Road Expo. That's where I saw you. Anybody go to the Off-Road Expo this year in Southern California? What an event.
Yeah, the one in Ontario.
One in Ontario. Be back at Pomona next year. How you doing? Looking good. Who are you with? You couldn't get a girl to go with you or what? How's the show? Great. Work on that date thing, okay? All right. You know, Kim, I can't tell the Corvettes from the Ferraris and the Testarossas or the McLarens. They all look so cool.
Yeah. So if you paint a Testarossa,
I just remember the red one with that beige interior. I remember like, I did have a David Kimball cutaway at one like that.
oh my gosh, remember the David Kimball cutaways?
I do.
All the great exotic cars drawn in such a way that you could see right through them.
Amazing.
One of my favorites was the anniversary of the Chevrolet small block poster. They had Zora Arcus Duntov, and they had the original 283 and the power packs, the 347s, all the way up to, I believe, the LT1 in the early 90s is when that came out. That was really cool.
Yeah, looks like one of the Optimus streetcar vehicles got lost, huh? What do we got coming up?
Looks like it. License plate says Vanarchy. Gotta love that. We need to change the music to
Así como empezó, así va a terminar. Pero aquí les muestro yo algo de lo que yo pude apreciar durante todos estos días en este tan famoso show de automóviles, SEMA Car Show. Se lleva a cabo en el Convention Center de Las Vegas. Y les dejo parte de lo que yo pude ver y apreciar en todos estos 5 días que ha durado este evento. Espero sea de su agrado y primeramente Dios, nos vemos aquí el año que viene. Se me olvidaba decirles, si usted es fanático de automóviles y tiene la oportunidad de hacer presencia en este show de automóviles, SEMA Car Show, hágalo. No se va a arrepentir. Se va a quedar admirado de tantas cosas bonitas que se ven acá. Y cuando yo les digo automóviles, no solo es ver la pintura del automóvil, ver lo que es el interior del automóvil, no, para nada. También tiene que ver con todo aquello que envuelve el automóvil, accesorios. Por ejemplo, hemos visto los enormes motores, pero si no ponemos atención a lo que rodea el motor, todo lo que es cromado, eso también se expone en estos lugares. Es caminar para ver diferentes tipos de marcas de automóviles, accesorios y los automóviles electrónicos. Todo eso se ve en este lugar. Así es que si tiene la oportunidad de hacer presencia el año que viene a este evento, hágalo, no se va a arrepentir.